Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bhupesh. Today we'll be talking about how to create EC2 instances, whether Windows or Linux onto the Amazon cloud. A quick recap in the same playlist what we have done so far. First of all, we did how to create AWS account creation. I have quick video. You can simply check that thing into the same playlist. And then in the second session, we saw how to create an EKS Kubernetes cluster in AWS cloud. So if you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please do that from here so that you can get videos related to DevOps, Kubernetes, Grafana, and so on. So let's quickly jump onto today's agenda. We'll be creating two EC2 instance quick video. It will be very easy, and then we'll be just logging onto those instances and see whether we have proper access or not. So let's quickly jump onto this. We have created a small GitHub page so that you can do the same thing on your machine also. So you can see the first README was on creation of EKS cluster. Now second README pages for creation of EC2 instances. So let's get started. So as you rightly see on my screen, there's a simple you need to create an AWS cloud account. There you can do it, and once you have created an account, you can simply go to the URL as per your choice of region. So currently, I've selected my this AP South one region. Let me quickly sign out and sign in again so that it becomes still clear. Sign into the console. I'll pass on my email ID and then I'll give my password. Okay. The moment I'm in, I need to just select this EC2 from the left hand side. If it's not available, you can search it from here also. EC2, okay, like this. Now I'll see there's nothing running. I'll click on this instance running. Fine, I'll just click on launch instances. Now let me give a test Windows machine, a name of the Windows EC2 instances. And then I'll select this Microsoft Windows option. And since it is a free tier eligible, I'll just select that. Move on. I'll just take the default C2 micro or the free tier available. Now this is important. Either you can create an EC2 instance without a key pair login or a key pair. This helps you to secure an instance. I would always recommend to create a key pair login. Just click on the key pair, give a name, uh, test Windows or test EC2 login, I would say. So you can use the same key pair for any of your login process. Create a key pair. It will be downloaded to your desktop, basically onto your download section. This is that key pair that has been downloaded. We'll use this key pair in a while to log into machine. Perfect. So this is the type been selected down there. Scroll down. The network setting, it will create a security group for you. And then in that security group, that EC2 instance will get created. So don't need to select anything. Just let's have it, default. It will give you 30 GB minimum of root volume. Simply click on launch instances. It's launching the instances. Your instance is launched, it is getting ready. You can see it is a pending state. Right. Just to save time, let me launch Linux instance also. So let me click another launch instance and I'll do a test Linux and then I'll select the Amazon Linux option. Again, free tier. Key pair, I can use the same key pair and then simply click launch. Now it will launch you the other EC2 instance, the Linux one. Let me go to the instances. I can see there are two instances that are getting ready. So my Windows is ready. You can see it up and running. The next piece is we need to log into this machine. Okay. So I've clicked on to that test Windows machine. I'll do a connect. Now connect to a Windows machine. We need to have a remote desktop connection. So I'll download this remote desktop file. This has been downloaded. Now for login to the machine, definitely this is my password. But this is my the login ID. But what is the password? Now for getting password, I need to simply click on this just get password, and then I need to upload that key value pair that I created some time back. This one. right? The moment I do a decrypt password, I'll get a password to log in to EC2 Instance. Perfect. So this is my login ID, this is my password. Now I'll just simply come here, and the RDP also has been downloaded to my machine. I hope so. Yeah, this is at test windows. Simply click on this, connect on this, administrator is the user ID, password is this one. Fine. So now this will install this will log in your Windows Amazon E2 instance basically. It will prepare your Windows. So you can see it is nicely coming up because it is I've chosen a AP South 1 region, which is the nearest region in India, which is having a lowest latency. Now, since this is coming up, let's me see the other Linux EC2 instance. Yeah, Linux is also ready. So let's quickly click that thing in a while. Let me just see the Windows one. Yeah, I can see Windows one is coming up nicely. Since it is a small instance, so it's taking some time. But anyway, it has actually opened it. I just simply open Edge to see whether internet is working or not. It's a small test, right? In the meantime, let me launch a Linux instance also. Okay, I can simply connect using this. Okay, so you need to come here. Either you can connect it to a mobile extreme or you can connect like this also. So this was easy. So connect to Linux instance was easy. So I can just simply say, let me see, I'm logging to which ID? EC2 user. Okay, pwd. So this is my Linux instance. I mean, simply you can see cd slash pwd ls minus lpr, or I can say du minus ph. I can see how many I'm checking the space. Anyway, let me see whether my Windows instance is ready. Yeah, it is ready, but it is taking time for because I've chosen very smallest instance. So let me just quickly cancel this. Let me connect again my EC2 instance. Connect. So welcome back. I just paused that video because instance was little taking a little bit time. So I can see the internet is working fine and it is up and running onto the EC2 instance. So let me close this thing. Okay, so this has been closed. My Linux instance is also up. So let me close this also. I done this paste onto the base file system. I can see a default file system is available. I'll just close this also. Let me go back to my instances. So this was a quick test to bring up your EC2 instances, both Windows and Linux. Let me just quickly stop also so that you should not get priced on these instances when by default if it is a larger one. So I just simply come here and then you know click this and take action. Then simply stop the instance, and then I stop the Linux one also. Stop. So first of all, I will stop the instances. Both are getting stopped. Find the ones that is being stopped, then I can simply terminate to just have removed from my account to have so that I should not get priced from any kind of money on these account. So this has been successfully stopped. Let me do a terminate also. So next is terminate these instances. It will terminate all the attached volume for this. I'll terminate this also. It will terminate this attached volume also. Now you're good. So you have successfully, triggered two instances, Windows and Linux, and have successfully stopped and terminate login. Have done everything. So just quickly summarizing everything. This was a very short video. So successfully we created two instances, EC2 Windows, EC2 Linux, then did a login, successful login, and then finally stopped those instances and terminated those instances to avoid any further costing around, you know, in your account. So just give a quick recap from your side and try to create any instances. And in case of any issues, you can put down into the comment section. And do not forget to like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. I will stop it here. Stay tuned. Goodbye.